Good afternoon, YouTubers. I'm out here in the shop. I'm working on this Indy 440. I did sell this bike, and I sold it to a good friend of mine. Such a good friend that I can't let it out if it ain't right. And we did have issues with the carburetors flooding. And I had the same issue last year with it. I actually put in a different used set of float needles and seats, and it actually flooded again. So when I get a trouble bike like this who continues to flood, I normally will go to a Viton needle set, which is kind of hard to come by, but I found a set. We'll get down here to this stock float needle. And as you can see, it's metal. This is steel on brass. That is the limitation of your seal, which is never going to be perfect. So I ordered in this carb kit. It actually cost me $70 for the needles and seats that I needed, but I'll be able to use the rest of these parts, because it did come with a set of Viton needles. Viton is a form of rubber. And this normally will cure this problem. When you see that, that's a rubber substance rather than just metal on metal. I'm going to go with a new seat too. And just go to all new on that float control. Tired of having this issue. In the end goes a new needle. Back on goes the float arm. And that float arm should be horizontal with the float bowl surface. You can see it's a little different than the old one, so I'll adjust it. Maybe just a hair more. There we are. Simple enough. I'm just hoping that's going to cure that problem. Normally it does. I did have the Turbo 850 Ski-Doo E-Tech come in this morning. It's got bent rails in the back. The gentleman jumped the thing and held the gas on it, just bent the heck out of them rails. We got new ones coming in. I'll do a video covering that later. I'll get this done and get this delivered to the customer. Thanks for watching.